Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of brain synchronization and discovering how you can activate your entire mind for peak performance. If you've ever wondered about the untapped potential within your brain, you're in for a treat. So grab a comfy seat, hit that like button, and let's embark on this mind-expanding journey together. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that we stay motivated to share the best content. This is a quick shout out to a fantastic new channel called More Power that's all about diving into the vast universe of spirituality and surfacing with gems that you can apply in your everyday life. You've got to check them out. Click the link in the description to subscribe and join the spiritual journey. Let's support each other on this path to greatness. Before we delve into the how-to, let's understand the concept of brain synchronization. Our brains operate on different frequencies, and when these frequencies align, it's like tuning into a harmonious symphony of cognitive brilliance. This synchronization enhances communication between different parts of the brain, fostering optimal mental performance, creativity, and overall well-being. Now, achieving this synchronization is not just about meditating in a dark room. It involves a holistic approach that combines mindset, lifestyle, and specific techniques to unlock the full potential of your mind. So let's jump right into the strategies that will help you synchronize your brain and activate its entire potential. First things first, let's talk about mindset. The way you perceive and approach challenges directly impacts your brain's ability to synchronize. Adopting a growth mindset, where challenges are seen as opportunities for learning and growth, sets the stage for optimal brain function. Positive affirmations play a crucial role here. By regularly affirming your capabilities and visualizing success, you're sending powerful signals to your brain, reinforcing a mindset of abundance and achievement. Now, let's address lifestyle changes that support brain synchronization. Adequate sleep is a non-negotiable factor. During deep sleep, your brain engages in crucial processes like memory consolidation and neural network optimization. Nutrition is another game changer. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential nutrients supports brain health. Remember, your brain is an organ, and like any other organ, it needs the right fuel to function optimally. Physical exercise is not just for the body. It's a powerhouse for the brain too. Regular exercise increases blood flow to the brain, promotes the release of neurotransmitters, and enhances cognitive function. Now let's explore specific techniques to synchronize your brain waves and activate its full potential. One powerful method is meditation. It's not just about relaxation. It's a structured practice that trains your brain to achieve a state of focused awareness. Binaural beats are another fascinating tool. By listening to two slightly different frequencies in each ear, your brain perceives a third, resulting in a phenomenon known as brainwave entrainment. This technique has been linked to enhanced creativity, improved mood, and increased focus. Neurofeedback is a cutting-edge approach where individuals receive real-time information about their brain activity and learn to control it. This technique has shown promise in improving conditions like ADHD and anxiety by promoting self-regulation of brain function. Cognitive training games are not just for entertainment. They're brain workouts, engaging in activities that challenge your cognitive abilities, such as puzzles and memory games, promotes neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and adapt. Let's talk about the universal language, music. Certain types of music, like classical compositions and binaural beats, have been shown to induce a state of relaxation and synchronize brainwaves. The key here is choosing music with a tempo that matches your desired mental state. Slow tempos can induce relaxation, while faster tempos might boost alertness and focus. Experiment with different genres to find what resonates with your unique brain. As we continue our exploration of brain synchronization, let's dive deeper into additional techniques that can help you activate your entire mind. One fascinating method is mindfulness, a practice that involves staying present and fully engaging in the current moment. Mindfulness has been linked to increased connectivity between different regions of the brain, promoting overall brain harmony. Yoga is another powerful practice that combines physical movement, breath control, and meditation. This holistic approach not only enhances flexibility and strength, but also promotes synchronization between the mind and body. It's a fantastic way to achieve a sense of gaining popularity for its ability to induce deep states of meditation and promote brainwave synchronization. By using specific audio frequencies, Holosync aims to guide your brain into states associated with profound relaxation and heightened awareness. Biofeedback is a technique that provides real-time information about physiological processes, allowing individuals to gain control over aspects like heart rate and muscle tension. When applied to brainwave patterns, biofeedback empowers individuals to consciously influence and synchronize their brain activity. Guided imagery is a technique that involves creating vivid mental images to evoke specific feelings or sensations. By immersing yourself in positive and empowering mental scenarios, you can stimulate various brain regions and enhance overall synchronization. Let's not forget about the power of aromatherapy. Certain scents, such as lavender and peppermint, have been associated with cognitive benefits. Inhaling these aromas can stimulate the olfactory system and influence brainwave patterns, contributing to synchronization and heightened mental clarity. Now let's explore some advanced technologies that take brain synchronization to the next level. Brainwave entrainment devices, like EEG headsets, use cutting-edge technology to monitor and influence brainwave activity. These devices often come with accompanying apps that guide users through exercises designed to synchronize brainwaves. Transcranial magnetic stimulation (TMS) is a non-invasive procedure that uses magnetic fields to stimulate specific areas of the brain. While primarily used for therapeutic purposes, TMS has shown promise in enhancing cognitive functions, leading to improved synchronization. As you embark on your journey to synchronize your brain and activate its entire potential, it's crucial to understand that consistency is key. Like any skill, the ability to synchronize your brainwaves develops with practice. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine, and over time, you'll likely notice improvements in focus, creativity, and overall cognitive function. Remember, every brain is unique, and what works best for one person may differ for another. It's essential to experiment with various techniques and find a combination that resonates with you. Whether it's mindfulness, biofeedback, or advanced technologies, the goal is to create a personalized approach that suits your lifestyle and goals. Now that we've covered an array of brain synchronization techniques, let's delve into the real-world applications and tangible benefits you can expect from activating your entire mind. Imagine starting your day with a brain that's perfectly synchronized. The mental clarity and focus you gain can significantly impact your productivity and decision-making. Whether it's tackling work projects, managing daily tasks, or solving problems, a synchronized mind operates with heightened efficiency. One notable benefit is the enhancement of creativity. Brain synchronization has been linked to improved communication between brain hemispheres, fostering the cross-pollination of ideas. This creative synergy can be a game changer, whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, or anyone seeking innovative solutions. Memory improvement is another remarkable outcome. As your brain waves synchronize, the neural pathways associated with memory function more cohesively. This can lead to better retention of information, improved learning capabilities, and a sharper recall of details. Stress reduction is a common result of regular brain synchronization practices. When your brain waves are in sync, the brain's stress response is often mitigated. This translates to a calmer nervous system, improved emotional well-being, and a greater ability to handle life's challenges with resilience. Relationships can also benefit from a synchronized mind. Improved emotional intelligence, empathy, and better communication are natural byproducts. When your mind is in harmony, you're more attuned to the needs and emotions of those around you. Now let's address some common questions and concerns that might arise as you embark on your journey to activate your entire mind through brain synchronization. How long does it take to see results? The time frame varies for individuals. Some people may experience immediate benefits, while others might need a few weeks of consistent practice. Patience and regularity are key. Can anyone benefit regardless of age or background? Anyone can reap the rewards of brain synchronization. The techniques are adaptable and can be tailored to suit individual preferences and needs. Can we combine multiple techniques? Yes, in fact, combining different techniques can often yield more comprehensive results. Feel free to experiment and find the combination that resonates best with you. As we wrap up our exploration of brain synchronization, we want to encourage you to embark on this journey with an open mind and a sense of curiosity. Your mind is a vast and incredible landscape, and the techniques we've discussed are mere gateways to unlocking its full potential. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Listen to your mind, pay attention to how it responds to different techniques, and enjoy the process of self-discovery. The power to activate your entire mind lies within you, and it's an ongoing, empowering journey. Now let's explore some advanced brain synchronization practices that go beyond the basics, providing you with a more nuanced understanding of how to tap into the full potential of your mind. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Engaging in activities that challenge your brain, such as learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, or mastering a complex skill, can foster neuroplasticity. This not only enhances cognitive flexibility, but also contributes to overall brain synchronization. Integration of meditation practices. While we touched on meditation earlier, advanced practitioners often explore diverse meditation modalities to deepen their brain synchronization experience. Practices like mindfulness meditation, loving-kindness meditation, and transcendental meditation can each offer unique benefits, contributing to a more comprehensive synchronization of brainwave patterns. Brainwave optimization is an emerging technology that involves using neurofeedback to bring the brain into a state of balance and harmony. It's a personalized approach that tailors feedback based on an individual's unique brainwave patterns, optimizing synchronization. This technique has shown promise in addressing conditions like anxiety, insomnia, and cognitive challenges. To truly activate your entire mind, it's beneficial to seamlessly integrate brain synchronization practices into your daily rituals. This ensures that you're not only reaping the benefits during designated sessions, but throughout your entire day. Begin your day with a brief mindfulness session. Set aside a few minutes to focus on your breath, bringing your attention to the present moment. This anchors your mind and establishes a positive tone for the day. Throughout the day, take short breaks for synchronized breathing exercises. Deep, rhythmic breathing has a calming effect on the nervous system and promotes synchronization between different brain regions. Transform mealtime into a mindful practice. Engage all your senses while eating, savoring the flavors and textures. This not only promotes healthy eating habits, but also encourages brain synchronization through focused attention. Designate a specific time for a creativity capsule each day. Engage in activities that stimulate your imagination, whether it's doodling, brainstorming, or exploring a new hobby. This fosters a creative flow and encourages synchronization of brainwave patterns associated with innovation. You must watch our latest video on the topic. You can control your thoughts. In this video, we delve into the realm of consciousness, anxiety, and overthinking, exploring the profound topic. You can control your thoughts. Click on the I button on the top right corner of the video for the link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey. As we conclude our exploration of brain synchronization, we invite you to join our growing community of individuals dedicated to unlocking the full potential of their minds. Share your experiences, ask questions, and connect with fellow enthusiasts. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Together, let's continue sensing those brainwaves and embarking on the extraordinary journey of mind activation. Until next time, stay curious, stay synchronized, and keep unleashing the limitless capabilities within your mind.